friends, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel and Happy New Year to all of you guys. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. I really hope you guys are going to have the best year this year. I really do hope that this is going to be the year where we are going to be celebrating things and your birthdays and all of the holidays and everything in between. And I'm hoping that we can get together with our friends, our families, our co-workers and just get back to normal. I'm also hoping and praying that this pandemic will be subsided soon. It's going to disappear from our lives so we can just get back to normal lives. I want to thank you guys for all of your love and support. Last year I've been through some things. Thank you guys so much for sticking by me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos, commenting. Thank you for all of my my followers on Instagram. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you. I couldn't have a social media without you guys. So we are going to push the reset button again, and like the title says, let's do this one more time. Plan our lives, shall we? And to be honest with you guys, I don't have any plans. I really don't at all. So we are going to be doing the unboxing of this beautiful planner that I got from Amazon. You guys may like this. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box for you guys. And I like the color. It's like a pinky peachy color. Hope you guys can see that. It looks a little bit yellow on screen, but it is peach. And when I saw this color, I think of Simply Demi, because this is her color scheme besides the bling. I think she would love this one, because I remember when I had sent her the giveaway, she received a pink planner and she really loved it. So Simply Demi, if you're watching, I think you would like this one. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick it up. It's called the Smart Planner. I'm not quite sure if you guys remember 2021 January, I talked about my PA planner. Well, I started off the year pretty good, writing everything that I wanted to accomplish in that planner, you know, my YouTube, everything I've written in that planner. And then my PA planner said to me, stop, put me down, don't write another word in this planner because your life is about to go left, okay? Don't be writing anything down. So of course I didn't. I just tossed the planner aside and I thought, you know what? I just need to survive whatever I'm going through right now. It was just the most ridiculous thing. Anywho, so it's still in the plastic. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna open this up today. And we are just going to remove this from the plastic. And it says Smart Planner. Okay, this is the packaging. Okay, back and front, it's a box. And I know you guys are going to really like this one. And of course, you open up the box. And you do have, oh, it says 20% off your next order. Use code GRATITUDE at the checkout on Amazon. So I'm going to leave this below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on this planner. No commission to me, it was just in the box. And the code is GRATITUDE. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot of that. Okay, but I'm also going to leave this in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to get it. And it just says, thank you. We hope that you love this product as much as we do. We are a small family business. It means the world to us that you have chosen our product, and different things written to the back. And something always falls off my desk. Sorry guys. So this is the planner right here. It's in the packaging, so I'm just going to take it out. I really like the box. Nice and sturdy. You can use that for storage too. And I really like it. It's not very big and nice hard cover. Really, really sweet. It says Smart Planner right there. Again, Simply Demi, I'm thinking about you while I'm talking about this planner. You are definitely going to like this one. Okay. And so I'm just going to open this up for the first time to see what's in it, because I haven't opened this up. I haven't opened this yet. We're just going to do it for the first time. And of course, the first page says that this planner belongs to. You can just put your name, email, phone number right there. And it tells you welcome, and it tells you what's inside. Month at a glance, birthday list, finance, smart, bucket list, travel, personal note. Very nice. You could put this into your pocketbook or your handbag when you're traveling, so you can just write your thoughts down when you're on a plane or something like that. And of course, you do have 2020 calendar right here, but who needs to see that? No, we don't. So we do have the 2021 calendar to the top and to the bottom 2022. And you just have to turn it this way and you can see all of your dates on the inside. That's your month at a glance, okay? You do have your birthday list, you have your financial plan. Very nice planner, and it has some beautiful inspirational quotes on the inside. You have your to-do list as well, my completed task. Very nice. Each page has some beautiful quotes on there, which is really nice. Remember that not getting what you want is sometimes a wonderful stroke of luck. Wow. That's something. You can do your personal notes as well in here. And wow, it's very nice. I like it. It says, it is during the darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Beautiful. Very, very, very nice. It says, don't be pushed around by fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Oh my God, how wonderful is that? And so when you read these inspirational quotes every single day, you just feel inspired. Or if you want to put your own personal notes to the bottom on each page, why not do that as well? It is very beautiful. I do like it. And of course, you do have two markers here. You have the gray one, and you also have the peach one as well. So you can just mark your pages, okay? And I guess to the back, you do have a little space right here. If you want to put in some little extra notes, some extra reminders, special Christmas list, anniversary list, special dates, or whatever it is you do have coming up, you can do that in here. And so let's just see if this planner, this smart planner, is gonna make a difference. We're just gonna see, okay? I am one of those people, I just like to write things down, and again, this is really cute and I love it. And you do have the elastic right here, and you can just put the elastic right over it like that. It is so cute though. I really like this planner. And again, this is from Amazon. I'm going to leave it below for you guys, and I think if you are watching this video today, you can get this. Seriously, it's really nice. It's nice to just hold in your hand. You can take it with you every single day when you leave for the house. Put it in your backpack or your handbag. Take it with you, and or at the end of the day, you just want to sit back and just write your thoughts down, how your day went, what could be improved, whatever it is you want to do. Your smart planner is yours. It's your thoughts. It's your own personal journey, right? So you can do whatever it is you want to do with the planner. Again, it came in this beautiful box, and I love the way this is packaged. And you do have your 20% off. If you guys want to use that code, no commission to me, that would be wonderful. And it comes in a beautiful little packaging like this. Really, really, really cute. You guys are going to like this. And again, Demi, if you're watching, I'm thinking of you, darling. I think you are really going to like this planner. Great for gift giving. If you want to buy someone a birthday gift, for the month of January, if you have any friends whose birthdays are coming up, or maybe anniversaries or whatever, you can give them this as a gift as well. I know Christmas is over, but you can put this again into like, you know, like a surprise gift for a friend, for a loved one, for your neighbors, for whomever you want. And you know, planners are really, really good ideas to have in your life. At least you can make your life make sense. Let's just hope, because I have just pushed the reset button on my life, and let's just see where this is going to go, because like I said many times, I am just moving forward in my life with prayers and faith and confidence, and just thanking God for every single day that He wakes me up. It's a blessing in disguise. And I wish all of you guys so much love, and I wish you guys so much success and happiness. And I thank you guys always for loving me and my support. I mean, many of you guys were giving me such support last year. HD Signatures, you were one of those people who were just so kind and sweet to me. Thank you so much, my love. And this is the end of today's video, and I do hope you guys enjoy this planner today. It's called the Smart Planner from Amazon, and it wasn't very expensive. I'm going to leave the price in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you get your hands on one of these, and let's just restart and refresh our lives and just see where we will go for 2021. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.